Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RV'ing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. I had a request to kind of go over some meals and food that I carry, I guess, in the RV. You've already seen past videos. If you haven't, please go back. I've got over 400 videos over the last year of my travels where I show cooking steaks, cooking chicken, doing quesadillas, all kinds of things that I do. Dorito nachos, just meals like that. Anything that you can think of having in your home, I probably have here based on my preference. Lunch meat, bread, tortillas, cheese, canned chicken, frozen chicken breasts, frozen steak, frozen hamburgers, things like that. So I'm going to just kind of go through my pantry, show you what food items I currently carry and what I have as backup. So coming from my bed and looking towards the front, I've got a lot of cabinet space. I mean, this really is designed for a family of four to go out for a week or two. So you could see I've got all kinds of things, jalapeno salsa, hot dog chili, all kinds of canned vegetables, coffee, backup mustard, there's canned chicken, refried beans, my backup Parmesan. I like backup. There's some pasta. I've got some spaghetti sauce or pasta sauce, marinara sauce back there. Got a couple of cans of chili. Of course, I've got some instant ramen meals. There's like 4 back there. Some instant rice. And in that bag is a bag of pinto beans that I can boil up, and also white rice, which I had last night really for dinner. I boiled up some white rice, baking powder, vinegar. In the back there, I've got my backup A1 sauce and ranch dressing. And so the pantry, besides holding canned foods, holds a lot of my backup stuff. This side over here is kind of just miscellaneous. In the upper right, I've got my cat treats. I've got my cat brush, tick spray, catnip spray, containers, extra paper towels, paper plates and regular plates, bowls, a cup, and of course Ziploc bags. Here's my fridge and freezer. I've got frozen burritos, hot dog buns, frozen hamburger buns, frozen chicken, frozen sausages, frozen hot dogs, frozen lunch meat, and frozen burgers, plus my ice. Frozen tortillas and frozen chicken. Oops, make that frozen shredded cheese. In the fridge, I've got Diet Coke, jalapenos, lots of condiments, more condiments, tomatoes, onions, sliced cheese, shredded cheese, lunch meat, bottled water, which I use for guests. That bottled water is what I use. I reuse those a couple of times, refill them, and then move on to the next. And some cocktail sauce. Ooh, I did have shrimp the other day. It was delicious. Peel and eat shrimp. Then we'll move on to my spices. It's where I keep a lot of my chips, like Doritos, sunflower seeds, Cheez-Its, beef jerky, all my seasonings, honey, and I have lots of salsa, different kinds. Tabasco sauce, you name it, bacon bits. So as you can see, I have just about everything that you would probably have at home, or at least I would have at a regular Sticks and Bricks, and can make just about anything I want at any time I want, and probably have a good month of food easy at any given time. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Give this a thumbs up and smash that thumbs up button numerous times until it won't get up anymore. From Ninja and I, we bid you adieu. Be positive, be nice, be active.